Yo, Umusa Khawula has released lapha a massive bomb on Twitter. Hayi, isigaxa lesi. Abakuthiwa kukhulunywa ngesigaxa sekukhulunywa ngendaba kanje. So as you can see lapha Umusa Khawula just posted on his social media ukuthi meet Julius Malema's girlfriend Onta Moore. Onta Moore resides in an apartment in Hyde Park paid for by her married lover Julius Malema. Okusho khona ukuthi lapha ke Julius Malema uyachitha, the EFF leader. Okay? Julius Malema also gifted Onta Moore with a white Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon worth over 5 million rand. Yabo. OMalema babona belwa corruption but buka imali abayispendayo kuyintombi. Yabo, rather than investing unemployed youth. Onta Moore previously dated Edwin Soldi before getting a groove with Julius Malema. Yo, the girl is securing the bag. Let's just check my comments. So Musa on this post. Kushubile. Manje uzoboshwa ungasaphumi. Yo, I don't blame Umalema. She's beautiful. Yo, it's yinhle ngempela nami intombazane le guys. Waiting on room service. Lapana, she's currently on TikTok. Yabo, and her handle is Ontha Moore. This is not true. Malema will never do something like this. Well, some people are just defending. Yeah, but I trust you. Guess it. But yeah, it's got this thing. Umusa Khawula hlezi ekhipha ama-files esingawazi yabo, and simphikise earlier on until kuze kufike isikhathi ukuthi masivele lento leyo simangala ukuthi hayibo Umusa Khawula did or once said something kanje. Okay, whoa, this post is missing some things. How did they meet? Who introduced them? What did the person get for introducing them? For how much? Where do they spend their time? What trips they've taken that suggest this is happening? Proof of payment that is buying start. Even if it's true, Musa, some things are better left unsaid. I think, well, these are part of Malema's fans who are defending him here. CIC is it ignites, yeah. So yeah, guys, yo, Aibo Musa, you have a leave. And I'm banging break, banging break. I would have like just kept quiet. Let's wait for the response from Mr. President. Ukuthengiwe ngoku to destroy his marriage. But how? Umusa Khawula has posted such stories for quite some time. For quite some time. Ever since Smaz Umusa Khawula there on Twitter, Umusa Khawula has always been this person operating upon these stories, exposing isn't as I don't think he's destroying the marriage. He's just exposing isn't Zagalayo out there. Yeah. So guys, this is it from us as News. Please stay tuned on our channel for more updates regarding Le Video Lena. We'll make sure we keep you posted and updated. Please do not forget to subscribe.